Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the laws of photoelectric emission. We have already seen the graphs between various parameters on the basis of the experimental setup to study the photoelectric effect. So these are actually the results obtained from that experiment and you already know on the basis of those graphs. So the first law is that there is a minimum frequency of incident radiation below which there is no emission of electrons and above which the photoelectric emission takes place. This frequency is called threshold frequency. This frequency is called threshold frequency. Rest of the laws I'll just mention in short. Second is that the photocurrent is directly proportional to the intensity of the incident light. So photocurrent is directly proportional to the intensity of incident light. Third is that the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons increases with increase in the frequency of incident light. So to understand this, let's consider a metal surface. Suppose the same metal surface is there. In one case, 100 joules energy is falling here. So if this is suppose some metal and its work function is suppose 20 joules, right? And the same metal is there, so its work function will also be same. Now in second case, 80 joules energy is falling on it. So here the kinetic energy will be 80 joules. Here the kinetic energy will be 60 joules. So when the frequency of incident, because this energy is equal to h nu. So in which case the frequency will be more? Obviously this case. So here frequency is more. So the kinetic energy imparted to the photoelectrons is greater in this case. Now let's take the last case, last law. The emission of electrons in photoelectric effect is an instantaneous process. That is, there is no time lag between incident light and electron emission, right? So these are the four laws of photoelectric emission on the basis of the experiment conducted to study it. So that's all for now. Have a nice day.